Hi everyone, welcome to Industrial Rotor Tutorials, and today I'm going to show you how to put together the Bigfoot mount. Now when you get your Bigfoot mount, you're going to have about 5 different pieces in the package. You're going to have the Bigfoot mount itself, the no-slip tray adapter, a 1/4 20 1/2-inch thumb screw, an M6 screw, and a 1/4 28 screw. The 1/4 28 is going to be a little bit shorter than your M6 screw, as you can see here. You're also going to have a Allen wrench that will fit both of these screws so you can get them in place. So that's all the pieces to the Bigfoot mount. Now let's get this installed. It's fairly simple to install the Bigfoot mount. The first thing you're going to need to do is take off your tray off of the DJI mounting bracket. And this is a slotted screwdriver that you're going to need here. So we're going to pull this off. Doesn't take very much to get that off. We're going to reuse this screw that you're going to pull out of there, and you pull off your tray just like that. Once our tray is off, we can prepare it with the no-slip tray adapter, and this is how it goes in. It's going to slide in just like this. It's going to be quite tight, but not impossible to get it in there. And once that is lined up, you're going to take that screw that you just took off, that slotted screw, you're going to slide it in and tighten it back down. So now we have the no-slip tray adapter in place. So we can set that part aside. Now we want to go about taking off the DJI bracket. And it's, again, a fairly simple process. You're going to have a slotted shoulder bolt here that you're going to take out. Just takes a couple screws and that'll come right off. And then you want to remove the top bolt up here. That's going to be done with your hands, and that'll slide right out. Now, for safekeeping, take that shoulder bolt and put it back inside of that mounting bracket, and you can put that away for safekeeping. We're not going to be using that any longer. So we take that off, and now it's time for us to put on our Bigfoot mount, and it's rather simple. The first part you want to do is you want to lightly screw in using this hex driver. You want to lightly screw, get this started. You don't want to screw it down all the way, but just enough that the teeth have grabbed. And then we're going to take that little slotted piece, and this is going to go right over this eyelet that comes off your remote. And then we're going to drop in our 1/4 28 screw. And it's going to go right there like that. And then this is a tight tolerance, okay? I'm going to give you a warning. We make these things to exacting specifications. So we're going to screw this on around and get it completely tight to where it's on the eyelet very, very tightly. And now we're going to finish tightening up the top bolt into, or we're going to finish tightening up all the bolts. So we're going to tighten this one up a little bit more, push it just a little bit, and then that is rock solid. There's no waggle in that whatsoever. So now all you have left to do is to install your 1/4 20 thumb screw. You're going to line up the teeth, make sure those are lined up nicely, and then that is not going anywhere. You're locked in. So that's how that part works. Now, if you get one of our Master Series Mark II sunshades, not really any difference there other than when you get that, you're going to get a longer thumb screw that's going to come with your sunshade, and it's going to slide right in just like this. And actually the Master Series, this one has plastic teeth on it, and we've not had any problem with those given away. Fully warranted. Don't plan on them giving away, I wouldn't be sending them out. Extremely strong. It's not going to go anywhere. This is a glare buster version here, so we would actually send this one back the other way a little bit, so it's going to lay back like this right here, so that once we have the sunshade in, we're actually seeing the tablet at an angle. And this works extremely well, by the way. So that's it, those two pieces, and you got your glare buster sunshade working just the way you like it. So anyway, that's simple to install your Bigfoot mount. Thank you so much for taking the time to view this video. We look forward to serving you guys in the future. Have a blessed day.